In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your currency on eBay. So the first thing that I want you to do is to head into your application or your eBay application and then click the My eBay icon on the navigation bar at the bottom position of the screen. Now after clicking this, you will see this interface and I want you to scroll a little until you see the settings. And here is it. Click the settings and then you will see here the general section. I want you to click the general section here and then click the country or region. Now as you can see, the auto detect has been turned on. So let's turn it off. Now click the country or region and then select the country or the currency that you want the app to use. For example, is Russia. So just head back to your eBay application or the eBay home interface and then reload this. Now once the reload has been completed, as you can see, the products is set its currency to Russian currency. And that's it. That's how you can change your currency in eBay, and thank you for listening.